He made a statement against the government.
Yes, all of us have seen since 2 weeks what's happening in our country. Unfortunate incidents. A terrible incident happened in Pahalgam, and immediately after that, a week ago, Operation Sindoor happened, and all of us came together. We even had the Operation, Tiranga Yatra organized by Congress, and entire country stood with the country, stood with the army, stood with the Jawans. Now, unfortunately, yesterday what happened is Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Mr. Vijay Shah, actually said that Colonel Sofia Qureshi, referring to her as a sister of the terrorists, and they have given, and it is not just attack on a woman, but it's also attack on the army, who has stood for people. Absolutely. FIR has been filed already, but this is not the first time that BJP and RSS is doing this. They have massively trolled Himanshi Narwal, who is the wife of a naval officer who died in the terrorist attack in Pahalgam. Right after that, Mr. Vikram Misri came and announced the ceasefire. They attacked him, they trolled him, and they attacked his daughter. And they're doing this. And this is the attack on the unity of the country, attack on the army, and of course, women. We are very proud of her, and she is also the daughter-in-law of Karnataka. She has joined the army at the age of 15, and she's been serving. Not just her even grandmother has been fighting for the country. Saying this actually shows the mindset of BJP and RSS, which is anti-women and using religion to divide the country. Thank you.